Hey guys, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today we're gonna make a refreshing beet juice. This is super delicious and blended with other things, so let's get started and show you how to make it.
This is a heavy that. Whoa, that looks yummy.
I like to juice it in a big batch like this. Sometimes I even do 2 batches, but we're making a few other juices today, and I keep this in the fridge for about 72 hours maximum, but I always keep it in this and pour it into a smaller glass, and it is so fresh. You can't even taste the beet. Okay, so you can. My mouth is probably red. I'm kind of nervous. So now if you think beets taste dirty, a great tip is to obviously scrub them really well and make sure they're clean. Because they do grow in the dirt, they have that dirt taste. And I also like to peel my beets. Some people might just scrub it and then juice them, but I feel like scrubbing and peeling them really gets rid of that dirt taste, and the citrus and carrots really balance everything out. My son is ready with his cup for his juice, so we are gonna wrap this up. I hope you guys enjoy this quick and easy beet juice recipe, and we'll see you guys with another, he likes it, mama. We'll see you guys with another delicious recipe, tip, or trick soon. Bye, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.